Hi, it's Sarah from You Floral, and I'm going to talk to you guys today about a burning question I get asked, which is, how long do flowers last? So the answer to this question, first of all, depends where you source the flowers from. So if you buy them from You Floral, we're sending them directly from our warehouses to your house, and so there's zero time that they spend sitting in a grocery store on a florist shelf. If you buy them from one of those places, they could be 3 or 4 days old by the time they make their way to you. So I thought I would give you guys an example of some flowers that are a couple days old. So I've got these roses and carnations here that are 9 days old. These carnations look fantastic, just almost as good as the day they arrived. Versus these roses, they don't look the greatest. 9 days is a little long for roses to stay looking nice. And then I have an example behind me here of some flowers that are on day 2. So you can see these carnations here haven't even opened up yet. So that's why we always suggest ordering your flowers a couple days in advance to give the time the flowers need in order to open up. These roses down here are also not fully opened up, and you can see on day 2 they look super vibrant and beautiful. They're just not fully open. So hopefully that gives you guys a good idea on how long flowers last. And remember, the number one reason that flowers last a long time is if you buy them from a high quality source. So let me know if you have any questions.